What's poppin', everybody? My name's Ian McQueenie and welcome back to McAffiliate. On my channel, I'll be introducing you to the newest business models of 2021 and how you can scale those businesses for the long term. So if you'd like to see more videos like this before we even get started with this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for any video recommendations that you have. So basically, today's video is going to be pretty short and sweet. We're just going to be talking about how you can optimize and maximize your conversion rates for your sales funnel or any product that you're promoting, so that people can make sure that they go through all the steps to get to the final destination of the product. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. But before we even get started with the video, I will say that we have a bonus, or I have a bonus, for you at the end of this video. So make sure you stay until the end of the video, watch everything, figure out how to maximize your conversion rates, and at the end, I'll be presenting you with an offer that could potentially make you financially free and increase your chances of retiring young and making money online. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And so now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so the website we'll be using for today is known as Hotjar. Now Hotjar, I'll leave a link for it in the description down below if you want to check it out for yourself, but I highly recommend it for you if you're trying to maximize your conversion rates and to figure out basically where people are clicking on your sales funnel, on what pages, and where they're clicking off. So that's the most important part, to see what's going wrong in the sales funnel so that you can fix it. So they do offer a 14-day trial, I believe, and currently, as you can see, I'm using that right now. But it's a great software so far. Basically, you just input your website, and every time someone clicks on your website or your link, whatever, and goes through the funnel steps, it records the video and sends you a heat map so you can see where people are clicking and where they're clicking off of the video. So we're gonna go into the heat maps real quick to check out basically where people are clicking on my funnel. So we're gonna check out this one first. Alright, so as you can see, since I just started using the software, I don't have a lot of clicks, but this is my thank you page. People are clicking the video, watching it, and there is one click, which is 1/3 of people who have seen this opt-in page or thank you page since I started this. They have clicked and went on to the offer, so that's awesome. They liked the video and they went on to see the product. So there's the heat maps. I also have another heat map I could show you. Alright, so this is my opt-in page. This is the first page people will see usually when they click my website. And as you can see, there's really not that many clicks again, but they're checking this button a lot more than show me the video. So maybe they don't really like the video as much, and I realized this in a video that I was watching or recording of someone who went through the sales process and clicked off. So we're going to go into the recordings right now to see what happened. So as you can see, there's 2 United States and 1 United Kingdom, and I found this one on the United Kingdom one. So we're going to watch that and go over where they stopped the process and what I could change to make them go further into the process and potentially purchase the product or service. So as you can see, once you click the video, it'll bring you to the recording, and on the right side it'll have the user's ID, where they're from, what piece of technology they were using. So in this case, it was an iPhone, and what they were, what software website they were on, and the newest version of their phone, I guess. So it gives you all their information really. And this isn't an invasion of anyone's privacy. It's just to make sure that you're getting the conversion rates that you want and seeing what's going wrong in your sales funnel, so you can change that later down the road. So we're going to watch the video real quick, and you can skip all the dead parts where they're not doing anything, but we're just going to watch this super quick. So they got onto my page, they're checking it out, scrolling, and they put in they clicked the button immediately, which is awesome. Just want to get straight to the point. So they put in their information, and then they got to the next page. So they're scrolling now, and they're checking out the video on that page. And so they clicked it, they watch it. You obviously can't see it on the screen because it's private for them. And so you can skip the inactivity down here through the screen button. Brings them back, he stops the video, he rewinds it, and then he fast forwards it again. And you can just see, like, basically what's going wrong in the funnel and why they're stopping and getting skeptical. So he's watching the video again. And we'll skip an activity. He gets to the end, stops the video, and then he swipes off right at the end. So it's a little laggy, but you can tell that there's some changes that do have to be made. So in this case, I changed it from using that thank you page, going straight to not the offer, but the product or provider's thank you page in their funnel, and started using that instead. And the conversion rates have been going up. So you can really optimize your conversion rates using Hotjar, and I highly recommend you check out the link down below so you can use this software for yourself so that you can get more commissions and more sales with your affiliate marketing business. Alright, so now if you remember, like I said in the beginning of the video, for the bonus that I have for you, I'll be presenting that to you right now, and basically it's called the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. I know most people have probably heard about this by now, but people are still skeptical about it, and it's kind of sad because this is probably the best course that you could possibly get to start your online business and start making money online. Now, I will say that there are some extra startup costs that you may have to make extra purchases, but I will say it is very beneficial, and you don't have to make super expensive purchases. All you have to do is research your softwares. I have videos on it on my channel if you'd like to check them out, and make sure you enjoy the software that you're using, and just have fun with it. Really, like, don't stress yourself out. But really, this business challenge is really beneficial for me. Get your own business advisor to help you get started with your business plan and how you can basically start up your business after you finish the challenge. So if you'd like to check it out, I do have a link down below where it will bring you to my sales funnel, where you can then make the purchase for yourself. So I highly recommend you give it a try. Get started today, and really, make a change in your life. Take a risk, and hopefully it'll come out in a positive way. Just make sure you take action and stay consistent with your content, because if not, you will not see results. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a little bit of information on how you can raise your conversion rates and maximize it to your highest potential. So if you haven't already, check out Hotjar down below. The link in my description. Get started with your affiliate marketing business with the other link with the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. And I really want to see you succeed. So if you want some one-on-one guidance with me as well, shoot me a DM on Instagram at Ian McQueenie, and I'll be sure to reply as soon as possible and help you get started as well. So that's all I've got for today. I hope this helped you a lot and gave you some more information. If you'd like to see more videos like this, remember to leave a like and subscribe to get the newest notifications of my videos, and to stay tuned with new videos as well. And leave a comment down below if you have any video recommendations for the future, so I can research them and get them started for myself and for you. So once again, thank you for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.